What's the meaning of clean and jerk? Clean and jerk. Clean and jerk.
Clean and jerk. Clean and jerk. The clean and jerk is a weightlifting exercise that involves lifting a loaded barbell from the ground to overhead in two distinct movements. First, the lifter lifts the barbell to their shoulders, known as a clean, and then explosively pushes the barbell overhead, known as a jerk, using their legs and upper body strength. This exercise targets multiple muscle groups, including the quadriceps, hamstrings, back, and shoulders, making it an effective full-body workout. The clean and jerk is also an Olympic weightlifting event and is judged based on the amount of weight lifted by the lifter.